In 2008, a man pulled off one of the most creative armored car heists in American history using fake job ads. Anthony Curcio had a brilliant plan. He posted fake Craigslist ads for landscaping work outside a Bank of America in Washington. He told dozens of people to show up wearing identical uniforms at the exact same spot where he planned to rob an armored car. On the day of the heist, Curcio blended in perfectly with the crowd of fake workers. When the Brinks guard arrived, he pepper sprayed him and grabbed $400,000 in cash. Then he disappeared through storm drains and escaped on an inner tube floating down the river. The plan was nearly perfect. Police had no idea which person in the crowd was the real robber. But Curcio made one fatal mistake. He threw away the fake beard he wore during the robbery. DNA evidence from that discarded disguise led investigators straight to him within weeks. He got 6 years in federal prison. Like, comment, and share this video, and follow for more interesting videos.